Hello! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. Looks like this. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we can set up or set the alarm clock by tapping on the new alarm. Now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping on the screen like this. So set the hour, for example 8, then minutes, for example 30, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have the alarm time, 8:30. We can tap on the text below the alarm, or rather below the time, to change the frequency, and we have one time. If this option is selected, the alarm will go off one time and it won't repeat, but you can also select a specific days. So for example, if you select Sunday and Tuesday, the alarm will repeat every Sunday and Tuesday. And once you're done, you can swipe right to go back. Here we can also turn on and off the sound for the alarm or the vibration. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have our alarm. We can turn it on or off. We can also have multiple alarms. So if we tap on new alarm, tap on the check mark, tap on the check mark, you will see it right here. You can also remove the alarms by tapping on the pen icon next to one. Okay, and once you're done setting up your alarm, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.